Welcome back, guys. In today's video I will be installing a front brace bar on my WRX. It'll be a little bit tricky, I think, only because I have hella horns, so I'm gonna have to try and figure something out there. But I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the bumper off, and I'll kind of just show you guys the steps along the way. Here we go. I thought my hella horns were actually going to be more in the way than they actually are. It almost clears both hella horns. So I'm going to try and bolt it up and kind of see what it's like. And I mean, I can always bend this bracket back a little bit. So I'm going to see what it looks like that. While we have the bumper off, we're painting one little part that's inside the grill that's white. And ever since Pellman, shout out Pellman, pointed it out, I couldn't unsee it. And it looked like
a
cat in between the hella horns. I'm going to put a picture here so you can see it. But bumper's off, so we're just painting it black. And that way it won't bug me anymore. So thanks, Pellman. So as you saw from the picture I just flashed on the screen, it's that piece in the middle. And then while we were at it, I also did that piece and that piece there. These ones didn't really bug me, but they were white, and I mean, we had to paint out, so it was easy enough to do. And then we're gonna let this dry. We'll do another coat and then mount up the brace bar. I just went ahead and put 2 bolts in the brace bar at the top, and there's no hole for the brace bar at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and drill through this plate and then put a nut and a bolt. And that's it for this install. Super easy, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm not fully sold on the hella horns and the brace bar together, so I'll put the bumper back on, kind of see what it looks like, and then make my decision then. Before I go ahead and drill, it's a little bit hard to see, but I used a center punch and just made a little mark in the middle where I want to drill so that the bit doesn't wander. So now I got my bit, and I grabbed just a nut and a bolt that I had laying around, and that'll fit in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill it out now. Here goes nothing. So it's a little hard to see, but I got the hole ready to go. Now, just gonna go ahead and bolt it up. And just like that, it is all bolted up. And the final tighten. I'm gonna go ahead and do every bolt now, just the tiniest bit, just to make sure all is good. And there you go. Brace bar installed. Now let's get the bumper on. I just have 2 bolts in the top right now. I just wanted to see what it looked like through the grill with the hella horns, and honestly I don't mind it. So I'm gonna leave it for now and kind of see how it feels once I actually take the car out again in the spring. I got the bumper fully bolted up. The fitment is back how it should be. That's what it looks like. Honestly, I love it. Turned out really well. I'm happy with it. Don't mind the monster truck. I'm not aired out right now. But there you go. That is the brace bar for the 2018 WRX, and simple mod, easy to do, and pretty cheap. Turned out well. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.